So this is the SQL lesson, sixth lesson. Here we will study about the SQL group by clause. Okay. So now here, when you say select department number count all from EMP group by department number. So we'll try this and see. So we'll go to create query design SQL view. So we'll say here select department number, comma, count all, from EMP, group by department number. So when you run this one, you can see. When you run this one, you can see. So there is a mistake in my table. I have put EMP. So group by here, when you run this one here, you can see it is grouped by the department number and count the employees. So we'll save this one, query 11. So here, when you open the table, if you group by the department number and if you make a count, department number 20, you have 2 people. And if you see the department number 30, you have 4. So, so that is the output it is giving. Department number 20 and department number 34 employees. So that means select department number, comma, count all from EMP group by department number. Meaning of this, so we count by the department, so we group by the department number and count how many employees in the each department. So if you check the query here, see this, here see 20 and the 30. So the next one is we can see here. So we'll try the next one. Select department number, comma, max salary from EMP group by department number. The meaning of this query is, so we are grouping by department number. So the table we group by department number, and each group we take the maximum salary of in that group. Okay. So we'll check and see. So create query design SQL view. So here we say department number, comma, max cell from EMP group by department number. Okay, so group by department number. So that what you can see is here, each department, what is the maximum salary. So we'll save this one. So if you open the table now, EMP table, so each department, the maximum salary is for the department number 20, the maximum salary is 2975. So for the department number, if you can see the department number 30, the maximum salary is 2850. So then you can see the output here, say group by max salary, then department number 20, you see that is 2975, and department number 30, it is 2850. So then next one, you can see here, select department number, comma, min cell, minimum of salary from EMP group by department number. So there we can see now, we will take another query. We'll say create query design and SQL view, select department number, comma, min of salary, minimum of salary from EMP group by department number. So when you run this one, you can see here something wrong. Yes, I have made a mistake in the type spelling mistake department number. So you can see each department, what is the minimum salary. So now I'll save this here. So here, if I save and if I group the minimum salary of each department, so you see in this department number 20, the minimum salary is 800. You can see here. Again, in this, the minimum salary is 1,250. Okay, so that is the output you can see here. Okay, right. Then next one is select department number, average salary from EMP group by department number. So we'll try that one now. So create, so query design, SQL view here. So we'll say here, select department number, average salary, from EMP group by department number. Okay. So when you run this one, you can see so group by department number, the spelling mistake is here. So you can see here that average of salaries will be taken here. So now when you'll save this one, here when you see the employee table, say it will give the average salary for the department number 20 separately, and again it will give you the average of this salary separately. You can see here. So that is the answer you get here. So department number 20, it is this, and 30 it is. So the next query, next thing is, when you say select department number, sum of salary from EMP group by department number. So when you take this one, so when you take this one, you can see here. Now we'll try this one, create, query design, SQL view. Then we will say select. We'll say select department number, sum of salary from EMP group by department number. Okay. So then you can see here sum of the salary here. That means each department will say it here. If you say, if you see here, each department, what is the total salary here? Sum of these two salaries. And here sum of these two, these 4 records. So that will be displayed here. Okay. So the sum of here, you can see it is sum of these salaries. Okay. Hope it is clear. Now, with the group by statement, next thing is if you want to make a condition, we have to use having clause. Okay. So now, say when you are grouping, if you want to have a condition, if you want to give any condition in the groups, say you want to have a having, so you have to have a having clause. So this is the first time we are introducing a new statement called having. Okay. So we'll try this one. Say, now we are familiar with this part. Now, then additionally, we are introducing this new having part here. So we'll see that one. Now, again, I'll start doing this one. So Here we will say create query design SQL view, create SQL view. Then we will say here, say select department number, uh, count all, say we say count all, say from EMP, say group by department number. So group by department number. So this part you are familiar. But now you want to make this SQL some more here. So you want to take the count which is greater than that means you want to get the employees which is having department this department, the count of employees is greater than 2. So that in that case, what you have to do is, so having you have to use, it's the first time you are introducing having count, so count all, so greater than 2. So that means whatever the count function here, you have to have the same thing here. Say this and this are similar here. Okay. So we'll run this one. See, then you can see here, when you group by department number, where the count greater than 2, it will display here. So that is about that having part. Now we will see this next example. Select department number, max cell from EMP, group by department number. So having max salary greater than 2,500. So we will try this one. So then create query design SQL view. So select, we'll say select department number, comma, so department number, comma, max salary from EMP, group by, say group by department number, having, so for the moment we remove the having and say, so what happened is department number, yes, spelling mistake. So DPT number. So here when you run this one, you can see this, it shows the department number wise that maximum salary. But you want to take, you want to give a condition here, then you can say having, so you can say having salary, say having salary, max salary. The same thing, what you have here must be come with a max cell. So max cell greater than, so 2,500. So when you run this here, so there is a group by department number. Here I have missed that greater than sign. So you can see that both records will come because both are greater than 2,500. Suppose if you say, if you change this one, if you change it as say 2,900 here, what will happen? Only one record will come. Okay. So that is about that. So that is about the group and having close. So now next thing is we will start, next lesson we will start with the join command. Okay, thank you so much.